Yazi, I did expect this to happen, but I never thought it would happen so soon. Bafethu, uQhawe have just given her forbidden fruit of Eden to Umawe. Exciting, ne? Let us talk about it and more here on this video, but before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I don't know why, but I just feel so excited that uQhawe finally gave her forbidden fruit of Eden to Umawethu. You know, I've never been so excited for someone. In fact, Umawethu was so living earlier that yena uzithandela ukubetha qha. So, after having fights with her parents, uQhawe decided ukuthi ngimnikeze Umawethu today. The last person that she spoke to was her, do you call her stepmom now? Yeah, it was her stepmom, Uthumela. Also, Legamos is the real mom. Yeah, the other mom is Uthumela. So she had just spoken to Uthumela. And after speaking to Uthumela, she told Uthumela is not her mom. She's just a baby snatcher, a home wrecker, and umakazi wakhe. Umakazi, for those who don't know, is a Xhosa word which means your mom's sister or your mom's cousin. Yeah, something like that. She said all of that to her. And then after that, wahamba Umawethu. Umawethu uziphumele eshaweni qeda kugeza. Uma ithi nta phansi, there are roses, there are candles, you know, the romantic shandies. And then mathi uvusa amehlo, there is uQhawe wearing a gown and a pyjama. Umawethu ubezothini? As I've mentioned, Umawethu have said uthi mina ndiyathanda ukubetha. Umawethu bengekazali kuthiwa me yidla Mawethu. What I love the most about my guy is that she did ask several times ukuthi Vethu, are you sure about this? And then uQhawe wathi yena hayi mina ngiready. So mbamba kuMawethu. We are seeing on the screen right now. So this is how the recent episode of Inimba ended. Exciting, ne? So I'm wondering, is uQhawe not going to regret this afterwards? But then, hey, let us not talk about this now. We'll talk about it later. Soul. That is if she's going to regret. But Umawethu was also sleeping with Uzolega. So, anyway, this show is an interesting show. If you haven't watched it, you really need to go and watch it. Trust me, you are really going to enjoy this one. So, with all of that being said, this is the end. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So, chat on the next one.